In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your GitHub link to your LinkedIn profile. This is a fantastic way to showcase your projects, skills, and contributions directly to potential employers or collaborators browsing your profile. So let's dive right in and go through the steps together to ensure everything is crystal clear. First, you need to open GitHub. Once you're there, look for your profile icon, which is usually located in the top right corner of the page. Give that a click. By doing so, you'll be directed to your personal GitHub profile page, Shitatsu, which houses all your repositories and contributions. Here, you'll notice the URL in the address bar at the top of your browser. This unique link is what you'll want to share on LinkedIn, as it directly points to your coding portfolio. Next, simply highlight and copy that link from the address bar. The easiest way to do this is by clicking once on the URL to highlight it, then right-clicking and selecting Copy. Or you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. With the GitHub URL safely copied, it's time to transition over to LinkedIn. If you haven't already, open LinkedIn in a new tab and sign in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the top right where there's a little icon labeled Me. Hover over this and select View Profile from the drop-down menu. This takes you to your own profile, the very same page others see when they check out your professional background. Next, find the section at the top of your profile that says Contact Info and click on it. This will open up a panel with various details. You'll see a pencil icon at the upper right of this panel, which is your gateway to editing and adding new information. Click on this pencil icon and you'll see options to add various types of contact information. Now find the Add Website section. This is where we'll paste the GitHub link. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll see a box appear where you can paste your URL. Use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac to paste in the link you copied earlier, or just right-click and select Paste. Make sure you double-check that the URL you paste begins with https://github.com, your username, replacing your username with your actual GitHub username, of course. Before you proceed, you'll be asked to choose a website type from the options given: personal website, portfolio, other. Typically, portfolio is the best fit here, as it describes what a GitHub profile typically represents. After making your choice, click Save to ensure all your hard work doesn't go unrecorded. And there you have it. Your GitHub profile is now linked to your LinkedIn profile, providing all who visit your LinkedIn a direct pathway to your work on GitHub. Don't forget to regularly update your repository on GitHub to keep this link relevant and impressive to anyone who visits it. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.